Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Camtech Limited, and what you can see here is the long-term trend and a very bullish breakout which has happened, and it's a confirmation for a big trend in the coming days, weeks as well as months. So if you haven't subscribed my channel before starting the video, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get notified for my upcoming videos. So talking about the trend, what you can find here is that the stock has made some big breakouts and now it is trending simply upwards. Here you can see the resistance levels, and the stock has indeed makes a breakout. Okay, these are the, now this all will become the support level as after the breakout happens. So we are going to discuss about the trends, all the trends which are available till now, and also the upcoming trends and the targets as well. So now with this breakout you have above $12, so this $12 will now become the support level. Okay, below $12 you have your next support at 8.01, then you have 4.87, then you have 12.83, 2.83, beg your pardon, then 1.65, then we have 1.24, and we will have 0.25. So now I am saying it just for the sake of information, because whenever you are analyzing chart, there is no data which is lost with history, or if it is a past data, there is nothing like that. There is a relevancy of past data as well, and when you are looking at a long-term trend, so those data points are very important and very noticeable in the time to come as well. So you should know where are your important support levels and what does it mean. Okay, in case of any situation, or in case of trend analysis, in case of finding the support and resistance, all these levels are very important. Now as you can see here that there is a big breakout, okay, which has happened above $12. Now anyhow the breakout has happened, now it started going up. So the simple question, or the big question, whatever you can say, is where does it leads to? Okay, or what could be the prospective or price target for this one. So for that, what we can do is we are going to measure the length of the previous trend. So as you can see, the stock has been in this range for the past 20 years. Okay, if not 20, if you are not agreed with the year, then at least 18. So if a stock made a breakout after 18 or 20 years, so you can simply say this is the start of a new big trend. Now for that, you will have, if I can just simply measure the length of it, okay, I can get the prospective target price for this script. Now I am using this technique of measuring length for lots of videos, but it does not apply to all. First of all, if you are trying to copy it, so it is up to you, but looking at the chart, I am using that. There are other things to look at as well. So this is not the only thing, and this does not apply to all. Okay, now having said that, the next probable target for this script, okay, will be around $250 on the upside. And mind this, that this will be a multi-year target, so do not just jump with all your guns and saying that it will happen in couple of months. Now with this volatility we have, no doubt it can be possible. Okay, I'll show you one another way to get your prospective target price on the upside. If you don't want to use that, so if you are trying to make a trend out of it, here will here you will have a trend. Okay, here you will have your trend. Here what we can do, we can just simply there is no single point, so in that case what we can do here, we can simply mark a range. Okay, here you can find that the prospective target price will be in between 89 to $250 in the upcoming years, and there are two ranges. The first range will be 48 to 138 dollars, and if it crosses this line then 89.90 to $250, which is similar to the prospective price I have told you. Okay, so there are ways to calculate it. It is up to you, and it is completely your individual sense of judgment, how and what do you want to do, and the things which you are doing, does it really apply? Sometime it is, sometime it won't. It completely depend upon, as I've said, your analysis and the experience with which you are doing. Okay, having said that, what you can see in this particular script is indeed a big breakout. I have already told you. Now some people may or may not agree, that is up to them, but these kind of breakouts generally after 10, 20, 30 odd years does carry a lots of sense and lots of gravity. Okay, lots of weight into that, because there are some trigger which make this price action happen, and this cannot be done by some retail guys. It may be if it is a trading move, but to make it sustainable, it doesn't look like that the retail guys can have the ability to pull it off beyond a certain point. Okay, here you can see, so from 2016, here you can see the price action. This cannot be done by retail participation only. So with this, that's why I'm saying that these breakout have their own meaning, have their own sense, and looking forward, if you can hold for long term, there will be some good price which are yet to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.